This is the interface that will be on Brad's Dynavox, and to the right we see the Android screen, which Brad will also be able to see. Now we can immediately notice that there are 5 favorite contacts that we can call with just one button click, so I'll go ahead and call Tayo. You also notice that throughout this interface, everything can be done with just one left mouse button click. Now I can also end this call just by clicking here or by pressing the physical button that you can't see on the screen. Now let's say that I have Tayo's phone number entered wrong, and it actually ends with a 2, not a 1. So I'll go in here, I can type that in using the Dynavox keypad, although right now I'm using a keyboard, and I'll save it, and the database will be updated accordingly. We see here it ends with a 2 now. But, you know, I've had some beef with Tayo lately, and I don't think I want to keep him anymore, so I'm just going to go ahead and delete him as a contact. And maybe I'll enter a new person, and I think this is Lyndon's phone number, and I'll go ahead and add him as a favorite. Now I'll save Lyndon where Tayo used to be, and we can see that he appears right here. Now to the left here we have this keypad, which can either be used to dial a phone number or to search through other contacts that are saved but not saved as favorites. So let's begin by searching for a contact, and I've dialed 258, which can either represent a phone number that contains 258, or here we have names that begin with BLU, which are in the keys 2, 5, and 8, B, L, and U. I can go ahead and give Blue a call and see how she's doing, and again we have a phone call started over here in just a second. There we go. And I can go ahead and end this again. Now let's say that I want to review my previous calls. I can quickly go to the call log and see, yes, we made a call to Blue and we made a call to Tayo. And it looks like that we got a call from this number that we don't recognize. So I can go ahead and save this as a new contact. And I won't save it as a favorite this time. But when we get back here, I can quickly find Pi simply by typing in 7 for P and 4 for I, and we see he appears right here. Lastly, Brad might be able to want to change volume settings from this interface, so he can do that by going to this option, and this button will turn on a loudspeaker that Brad uses when speaking to a large group. This actually turns on a physical switch. Down here we can control the volume of our phone. We can turn the volume up incrementally, or we can mute it all the way with one button press, and that has muted the phone over here. Altogether, those make the features that are implemented in this interface.